feed that one to the kids. They'll never know. There's your beans gone. Can I taste them? The famous green beans here. Wow, and these plates are dishwasher safe. I wash them in Really? Do I look like a girl who wants a half a spoonful of anything?
Give you a thing in your mouth.
No, thank you.
You guys are killing me.
They look good already, honey. Oh, you was not sticking that in my mouth. I even blew on it.